p.m. Back at 420, then I smoke another 10. Grab my gun and clean it up a bit before I take a shower. I take a fast shit, that's my morning. And as real as it gets, call me Casey from New York, getting out of the Mets. Been in Cali since 06 to develop the clout, but the Yankees motherfucker is what I'm all about. Got tired kicking TKs, always to my time, every day all day, trying to pinch on my dimes, shoot a hood up. Hit up with the rope, don't be fucking with my money, cause it ain't a fucking joke, you got no hope of living a week. Don't got a bitch, got a shotty under my sheets. 28 with no kids, yes I'm smarter than you. Never wearing condoms, so what's the same, fool? In your hood ain't nothing no good, I'm gonna kill you, kill you. Yes I should, drive by, hop out, then I break up your neck, then I throw you in the car and stage a finger angle like what? Get bucked. Like what? Get booked. Yeah, about 8, I'm feeling all great, gonna start my day. Yeah, someone gotta hate, what the fuck, man? Now I gotta murk it till you see a dead body. I'm seeing dollar signs, fool. You think that cool? Wipe off the drool off of your face, don't be scuffing my shoe. Those are my Jordans, and I shouldn't honestly have to explain this shit, should I? Fuck you, you get the jaw pain like that, bust in your face, we will rock you, you just a disgrace. At about 10, I lose it again, I blaze all day, you think I'm zen. I'm a nice dude until you tell me what I don't wanna hear. It's all your fault, I'm drinking the beer, bro, motherfucker stressing me out. Pay me what you owe me, yeah. In your hood ain't nothing no good. Here to collect like I should. Cut your head off, cause it ain't no joke. Don't be fucking with my fucking money, about to get smoked. Like what? Get bucked. Like what? Get bucked. At about 2, the bars are closing up. Gonna blaze a fatty, then fuck a Kelly slut. Oh yes, my day has been good, and at certain moments I'm just misunderstood. I'm like a Looney Tune when I'm hitting the boon. I know it's been an hour, but I'll be done soon. By the time I'm done, it's about 4. Gonna blaze a 420, so I'm hitting the store. Grape swishes, zigzags, and an Arizona grape fade. Roll a blunt, take a sip, yo, I got it made. As I fade, drive around the town. The sun's coming up and the moon's going down. 6 a.m. The motherfucking time to crash, but not before one last dip in the stash. Go home, blaze up, then pass out. Do it again tomorrow, no doubt. In your hood ain't nothing no good. I'm a slick lunatic, as all is understood. Another way up in my sway. 6 people died. Today was a good day. 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 Today was a good day.